All right, so now we're going to look at the atmospheres of our solar system. I was not able to put this picture on your notes page because it was not printing out very clear. So it's okay. We can just take a moment and look at it up here on the screen. So if you'd like to, take a moment, pause the video. What patterns do you notice with the inner planets and with the outer planets going on here? What gases do the outer or inner planets have that the outer planets don't have? What gases do the outer planets have that the inner planets don't have here? So take a moment, pause it, have a talk about that with your table groups. All right, we can come back together now. And we're going to look and you're going to see here on Earth, nitrogen is actually our most abundant gas. So the gas that we have the most of in our atmosphere. Does that surprise you some? And then oxygen is our second most abundant gas. But we know we need oxygen to live, oxygen survive. So a lot of you are asking, wait, can't we go live on Mars? Is there life on Mars? There could be some life, but look at what their most abundant gas is, 95% carbon dioxide. And if you didn't know, carbon dioxide is actually toxic to animals in high concentrations. So yes, carbon dioxide is what we breathe out, but too much carbon dioxide can be really, really, really bad for us. And then animals, including humans, we need O2. We need oxygen to help us breathe and function properly. That's what our bodies need. All right, so there's no activity for there. We're going to skip the quiz for now. And we're going to be looking at temperatures. So on your paper, you are going to have to fill out a question about temperatures. So just to kind of give you a reference, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really, really, really hot. Like conditions that humans and animals and plants really cannot survive in. And then water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So water, whenever it gets to 32 degrees, water starts to freeze. You can pause and kind of look at this temperature chart as well to look and see. Neptune, our coldest planet at negative 330 degrees, right? And that makes sense because it's the farthest planet from us. And then Venus is actually our hottest planet because it has a very, very, very thin atmosphere. So it gets all the sun's heat directly. So on your paper, if you will answer the question, which is the only planet that would have liquid water? So which is the only planet that had liquid water? Pause the video now and take a moment to think about that. All right, come back together here. I hope you said Earth. Earth, as we know of, the only planet that has liquid water. So yes, maybe Mars has been discovered to maybe have some frozen water on it. But again, we can't live with just frozen water. We must have liquid water for us and the plants to survive. All right, so now you have a quiz here. One question, all right? So again, you've already answered it. Well, we can skip it. Keep going. All right, last one, your last thing. Now that you've learned about it and kind of understand what supports life and looking and comparing at the characteristics of some of these planets, how many planets in our solar system can support life? All right, this question is on the back of your paper just as a reflection at the end. Is it just one planet, two planets, three planets, or can all planets support life? All right, once you have answered that, please be sure your first and last name are on your paper and then turn it in to the class color bin for us, please. All right, thank you guys. Have a great long weekend.